Happy Sunday, South Florida. This is meteorologist Erica Delgado. Activity across the tropics now beginning to ramp up. We are keeping an eye on two different systems. The first one's still an area of low pressure with a 90% chance of formation within the next 2 to 5 days. Some of the moisture across that system already affecting South Florida since today and will continue to spread across much of our Sunshine State for the start of the upcoming work week. The other system now over the Atlantic waters has now been named the next tropical storm of the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season. We are dealing with Tropical Storm Brett as it continues to push towards the west. Currently, it is with maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, about 600 miles just to the east-southeast of Grenada. Right now, the pressure has dropped just a little bit since earlier today, so of course, some strengthening has occurred, and of course, some watches and warnings already in effect for areas of the Windward Islands. That includes Barbados, Trinidad, and Tobago. Let's take a look at what they're dealing with right now. You can see that it is continuing to push towards the west, and models are pretty much in agreement that it will continue to push towards the west, just to the south of the Windward Islands. And of course, we will continue to monitor the situation as it continues to push into the Caribbean Sea. For us, we've already begun to see the rain here across much of our Sunday, so showers will stick around overnight. 70s for the overnight low, and of course for tomorrow, you may want to grab that rain gear as you head out the door because we are expecting scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms as the day goes on. We'll take a look at the next few days, turning quite breezy, but then we'll begin to see somewhat of an improvement. Wednesday, our first day of summer, will be our transitional day, and then finally Thursday, Friday, and in the next upcoming weekend, we will be dealing with a much drier weather pattern, one that we've been definitely waiting for in the past 2 weeks. Enjoy the rest of your evening.